Welcome to 7732 157th Street West in Apple Valley. You're right off of Cedar Avenue, so you're close to shopping. You can walk or bike to Target, Walmart, and all the other shops and restaurants in the area. This beautiful home was built in 1987. It has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, attached 2-car garage, vinyl siding exterior, and the roof is only a couple of years old. Maintenance fee is very reasonable, or HOA. You have everything covered, including hazard insurance. Taking you in through the front door, as you enter the home, you'll see a nice open floor plan, large living room off to the right with a wood-burning fireplace. There are large windows throughout the entire house, so you have lots of natural light throughout the day. The sellers did a fantastic job. It is one of the cleanest townhomes I've ever been in. Fresh paint, all repairs were made. It is truly move-in ready. If I take you here to the left, this is a half bathroom or guest bathroom. It's one of 3 bathrooms in the home. There are 2 on the upper level, which I'll show you after I finish the tour of the main level. Coming into the kitchen off to the right is a storage closet. You could use it as a pantry. Then there is the utility room. This is a slab on grade, so there's no lower level or basement. Appliances are newer. All stainless steel, all of them stay with the home, including the washer and dryer. Lots of cabinet space and countertop if you like to cook. Tile floors. Everything is as clean can be. They went out of their way to make it as nice as they possibly could. This is a sunroom that leads to the 2-car garage. Notice the large windows, lots of natural light, vaulted ceiling. There's 2 skylights as well. That is the door to the 2-car garage. And I'm going to take you back through and show you the upstairs. So there are 3 bedrooms up, a laundry room, and 2 bathrooms. There is a linen closet. There's the stairs that go back to the main level. This is the full bathroom with a tile bath surround floor, as well as in the shower. Upgraded vanity. Again, clean can be, move-in ready, no problems. Mechanicals are excellent. HOA is reasonable. It covers hazard insurance and lots of other things. Then you have the laundry closet right here on the 2nd floor, which is really convenient. This is bedroom number 3. They're all really nice size with good size closets. You could have it as a 2nd or 3rd bedroom. You could use it as an office, exercise room, whatever it is that you need. As you can see, very spacious. All the windows are vinyl in excellent condition. There's literally no maintenance with this townhome at all. And then this is the master suite. Off to the right is a huge closet, as well as a private 3/4 bath. This house is priced to sell. It's beautiful and move-in ready. You literally have to do nothing. Come take a look at it. You'll fall in love with it. I know you will.